ground, right, left. You jump in, out, hip, right, left. Then you're gonna do a jazz square using your right foot and your right hand. 1, 2, 3, touch, then to the left. 1, 2, 3, touch. Chaîné turn to the right. Down, chaîné turn to the left. Then your arms are gonna circle and you bounce your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we are going to do pirouettes in 2 groups. Front line is group 1. Out, back, pirouette, down, back line, prep, pirouette, down. All together, we're gonna put our hands on our hips, we're gonna step forward, right, left, back, back. 4 quick hips. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sugars. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 body rolls. And we're gonna repeat that step again. Front, front, back, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sugar, 2, 3, 4. Roll, roll.